Hi guys, my name's Amy from Subaru Colin Appleyard. Hope you are all well. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to change the clocks on your Subaru Forester. As you'll all know, the colder periods are here and it's much darker earlier. Now, you'll want to go onto your home screen here on your Subaru Forester. You'll want to click Settings. You'll have a few different icons at the bottom here: general, sound, phone and navigation. The one you want to be on to change the clocks is vehicle here at the bottom, and it'll be the first one at the top, time/date. Now Subarus are pretty up to date and it's already on automatic, as you can see here. Should yours be set on manual, you can change the time yourself here, so by the hour and the minute, but we recommend just leaving it on auto and let it change itself when the clocks go back or forwards. But again, if yours is on manual, you want to change the hour and the minutes here. This applies to both the screen, when it shows your clock on the screen, and here at the top. But again, we'll just put it in auto and we'll let it do its own thing. Hope that helps. Take care.